take it too, right? It's probably like.
All right, we're back. It's Johnny 5 sitting here with LC Queens and not James Storm, who's being kind of quiet right now. Got a Topps Heritage Chrome 1, and this is just like the last break with the Platinum. Just some random packs in here. I think there were 8, so we'll just see what we get. 1/3 of the box. You never know. I don't have any of these, so we got Batista, and let's see what happens. Nope. Let's show the viewing audience.
Hardcore.
They're nice cards.
But... Oh, James would want that. Trish. All the Bashams. That was like a Stevie Richards.
I got something weird here.
Why is
Funaki all?
Is that insert? Or,
oh, the X. Yeah,
X
we got a Funaki X Fractor. There's a joke somewhere. Okay.
William Regal.
I don't know. Hey.
Teddy Long, Junkyard Dog, Shawn Michaels.
I don't know.
You're not feeling it?
I'm not feeling it.
Come on, you gotta think positive.
And they're
Come
shiny.
on, Scotty.
Alright, this is a Hulkster pack. Can't go wrong with the red and yellow.
Scotty Tuhati, Maria. Look, you even missed your refractor of Taz.
Oh, I did? Okay, Taz.
Eugene. Look at this Romeo.
I'm not feeling it. I don't know. Got a few left.
Oh, yeah.
Again,
Antonio.
it's from Who's On First or Francis Lewis Boulevard, Queens, New York.
RVD. Victoria.
Damn.
Classy Freddie Blast.
Not feeling it. Come on, Hulkster.
Savito. Nunzio.
We got the Hogan card. That's a nice card.
The coach.
Well, this pack had some of my favorites, but 5 cards per pack? I don't know.
There's only 5?
Yeah, it looks that way, unless I can't count right now.
Ain't no stopping me. Oh, Booker T.
I got the Hogan, which I'm cool with. I mean, there's some people I like.
Yeah, Hogan's good.
Got the Rock.
Val Venus, ladies. Take the snake.
1 pack left. I don't know, folks.
Oh, man. Come on.
Can't turn it down. That was a good deal.
Can't turn it down.
Oh, I got Rob Conway. It says Robert Conway, which I don't remember being billed. Got Ric Flair.
Bobby Heenan, nothing.
I don't know. I got, like I said, they're good
Michelle McCool.
cards.
Well, you forgot. Rey Mysterio Refractor.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
See, I'm not even paying attention. I
have
one track mind.
Just looking for the hits.
That's it.
That's it. Gorilla, Nature Boy, Lillian, Hillbilly Kid, and the French Tickler.
No, French Tickler was Rene Dupree.
Oh, Rob Conway.
Rob Conway was the Conway.
Oh, the Con Man?
No, the Conway. Remember, he did it the Conway.
Oh, okay.
I know, you forgot. It was a very forgettable time. I barely remember.
Oh.
All right, well, it was worth a shot. It was fun. People don't see the box. We got plain top, Hogan, and super crazy. Subscribe. Hope you're enjoying them. Have fun.